If your key fob has been acting like it needs a vacation, you know the pain of a dead, keyless entry system. This tiny component from KarParts360 might just be the secret weapon your Chevy Impala needs to feel brand new again. We're looking at the keyless entry receiver designed specifically for the 2014 through 2016 Impala Limited, and this is the part that handles all the communication between your fob and the car. When this fails, your convenience goes right out the window. KarParts360 is offering this as a direct aftermarket replacement, specifically cross-referencing the OEM number 208,037,360. That matching is absolutely critical, and they stress checking the original part number before buying, which is smart advice for anyone tackling this repair. What makes this unit a true plug-and-play option is the precise terminal configuration. We're talking about a 4-terminal unit with a male pin-type setup. For anyone doing this swap themselves, knowing those terminal details up front is a huge time saver and minimizes the risk of fitment issues. Now the big question is quality. In the aftermarket world, durability claims can sometimes be shaky, but KarParts360 states this receiver is made from high-quality materials and has been rigorously tested to meet or exceed OEM specifications. A failing receiver often means intermittent locking or unlocking, or sometimes no response at all, leaving you fumbling with the physical key. Replacing it with a component that promises this level of durability means you should get reliable, long-lasting performance back, which is exactly what you pay for when you invest in a critical electronic component like this. It's the essential, unseen component that brings modern convenience back to your Impala. If you're tired of fighting with your key fob and need a reliable, direct-fit replacement that promises OEM-level durability without the dealership price tag, this KarParts360 receiver looks like an incredibly solid choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.